Hello, today we discuss about operators. So what are operators and what is the purpose of operators? Whenever you want to do some operations, then we need some operators. These operators are included as arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, increment and decrement operators, conditional operators, or ternary operators, or compound operators. So now what we do is, in this video we'll just learn about arithmetic operators, relational operators, and assignment operators. What does an operator do? An operator performs certain operations on operands. Generally operands may be like variables, or it may be an expression, anything like not other than operators. Whatever the variables or expressions you use, we call them as operands. You do some operations on it. Who will do that? Operators will do it, right? Now, so we'll discuss how many types of how many ways you can write operators. So operators could be of unary operator, or binary operator, or ternary operator. Right? Whenever we are saying a unary operator may be like this: either operator or operand, or operand first then operators. So that we say as unary operators. So either operator comes first or it comes in the last. Only one operand you will have. So you call that as unary operators. So example, minus a. Minus a, see here it is operator minus, and a is a variable. So we call it as operand. Now coming to the binary, in binary what happens is your operator will do operations on two operands. So for example, a into b. So how many operands you have here? A and b. See, operand can be an expression or a variable. So here we have two variables, in between you have operand, so it is a into b. Now coming to the ternary operator. In the ternary operator you have two operands, three operands, and you have two operators. So here see, a greater than b is an expression which is talking about one operator here, question mark, and a is another operand. So we got two operands, and next is b is another operand. So in between you have colon. So you have what? Three operands. So whenever you work on three operands, then it is called as ternary operator. Two operands, binary operator. One operand, then it is unary operator. So based upon this we have we discuss all operators. Now coming to the arithmetic operators. So generally arithmetic operators are what? Addition, minus, or subtraction, multiplication, getting the quotient, and next modulus. So these are the things, and the operators here are plus, minus, into, division, and modulus is for percentage. So now plus is acts as unary operator and as well as binary operator. Minus also acts as unary and as well as binary. That is what it can have only one operand or two operands. And into is for, that is multiplication. Asterisk is for binary, that is you need two operands. Division also need two operands, that is quotient. Modulus also need two operands. And coming to the example, see, this is the example. What we are doing here is like we are adding two numbers, a plus b, and see here we are asking user to enter values through keyboard. So a plus b value is stored in c, and we want the result as a result is stored in c. We want to display it, so we use printf. So for displaying printf and for reading the values, it is scanf. So a minus b here, and a into b here, a by b here, and a percentile b. So we are generally writing into values, right? So I'll talk about equal to also. What is this equal to is doing? At the end of this slide you will be knowing it. And now coming to the relational operators. Relational operators are used for comparison of expressions or operands. So we have greater than a relational operator, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, comparison, and not equal to. And these are all are binary operators. Whenever I'm saying it as a binary operator, you have two operands. See, like this: a greater than b, a less than b, a less than or greater than or equal to b, or a less than or equal to b, a equal to b. This is very important here. A equal to 2 equal to is binary, is a comparison thing. So it compares the value in a and it compares the value in b. Whenever you write equal to, that is different thing. So I'll discuss you about this. And not equal to is a not equal to b. So we'll write a program on it. So this is a program here where a is 5, b is 6, and c is equal to 5, and we want to store the result. So whenever See, whenever we are writing a greater than b, we are asking here, example is 5 greater than 6. Is it true or false? 5 greater than 6. 5 is not at all greater than 6, it is false. So in C, false represents 0 and true represents 1. Okay, these are all Boolean variables. Generally we say 0 as false and 1 is true. So whenever you write like this, result is equal to a greater than b. What is a greater than b? 5 greater than 6. Is it true or false? False. So what is the outcome of a greater than b? 0. So the result is stored in what? 0 is stored in what? Result. And next we are asking what is the value of a greater than b. So what will be the value of a greater than b? It will be 0. See here we have written 5d. What does this 5 represents? 5 represents, give some 5 spaces between e's and the value which you are going to print. So this is giving a 5 spaces here. Next, a less than b. A less than b also gives the value. And next here a equal to c is a equal to c is comparison here. Whenever we are comparing, that is a, what is the value of a is 5 and c is also 5. So 5 equal to 5. True or false? Yes, it is true because both are 5. Then when the result will be what? Result will be, as it is true, result will be 1. And here also our result will be 1, and a not equal to b, 5 not equal to 6, which is also true, so result is also equal to 1. So the output is like this. So when you look about the output, output is like this. So a greater than b 0 and a less than b 1, a equal to value is 1, a not equal to b is also 1, because these are the things which have happened. So coming to the assignment operator, so we will write assignment operator like this, equal to. So generally we have written here, see, equal to 1, equal to, here also we have written, and also here also you have done equal to here, right? So whenever you write equal to, what does your compiler will do? It gives the whatever the value which you are writing right hand side, that is we call as R value. This R value is copied or given to the left value, that is L value, C. Okay. So now a plus b value is given to c. So generally whenever you write equal to operator, so that happens. So R value is saved into L value. So for example, if you are writing a equal to b, then what does it mean? B value is copied to a. Okay, now b is what? 6. Here b is what? 6. So whenever you write a equal to b, now a also will be 6. Thank you.